How to buy gold on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy gold on Warface. Buying gold on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Warface game. Launch the Warface game on your mobile device. Access the store. Navigate to the game's main menu. Look for the store or shop option. This is where in-game purchases such as gold are typically made. Select gold purchase. In the store, find the section for purchasing gold. Choose the amount of gold you want to buy. Different package usually offers various amounts, sometimes with discount for larger purchase. Choose payment method. Click on the select package to proceed to the payment screen. You will be prompted to choose a payment method. Option may include credit card, debit card, PayPal or other local payment option. Complete the purchase. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details and complete the transaction. Confirm the purchase and the gold will be added to your account once the payment is proceed. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.